Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Layla who loved to play in the park. One sunny morning, she saw a new boy sitting alone on a bench. He looked sad and lonely. Layla remembered something special her grandmother had taught her from the Quran. It said, "And speak to people good words," from Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 83. She decided to use kind words right away. Layla walked over with a big smile and said, "Hello, my name is Layla. Would you like to play with me?" The boy's face lit up immediately. He said his name was Omar and he had just moved to the neighborhood. He didn't know anyone yet and felt very nervous. Layla's kind words made him feel welcome and happy. They became friends instantly. As they played together on the swings, Layla continued to speak kindly. She said, "You're really good at swinging high, Omar." When Omar shared his toy car, Layla said, "Thank you for sharing. You're very generous." Every kind word made Omar smile bigger and bigger. He felt like he belonged in his new home. Soon, other children noticed how happy Omar and Layla were. They came over to join the fun. Layla introduced Omar to everyone using kind and welcoming words. She said, "This is our new friend Omar. He's really nice and fun to play with." All the children started speaking kindly to each other too. The playground became filled with laughter and friendship. From that day on, Layla and all her friends remembered to always speak good words to everyone they met. They learned that kind words are like magic. They can turn a sad day into a happy one, make new friends, and spread joy everywhere. Just like the Quran teaches us, speaking good words makes the whole world a better and brighter place for everyone.